When you search for the best ammo reloading kits, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. MTM Universal Ammo Loading Tray. First up is the MTM Universal Ammo Loading Tray. Priced at just $7.89, this isn't going to break the bank. What caught my attention is its universal design, which can handle everything from .17 to .48 Win. If you want a reliable tray that fits a variety of calibers, this is worth a serious look. This tray is made with a durable plastic finish and is designed to accommodate both rifle and pistol cartridges, including those larger fat calibers like Remington Ultramag. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're reloading, having a stable and versatile tray means less mess and more efficiency. With a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from nearly 3,000 reviews, it's clear that this tray has been a hit among users. Now, some people complain about its lightweight material, saying it feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, for the price, it does the job exceptionally well and is a great addition to any reloading setup. If you're someone who reloads often and doesn't want to spend a fortune, this is perfect for you. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy duty, but for around $8, it's hard to beat. Product number 2. Frankfurt Arsenal Rotary Tumbler. Next on the list is the Frankfurt Arsenal Rotary Tumbler, priced around $168.39. This caught my eye for its impressive 7-liter capacity, allowing you to clean up to 1,000 cases of .223 brass in one go. If efficiency in cleaning your brass is what you're after, this tumbler is a solid choice. What really stands out is its maintenance-free drivetrain that eliminates any worries about replacing belts. Plus, it has a built-in timer that can be set for up to 3 hours. This means you can set it and forget it. Not to mention, the dual-layer drum helps keep the noise down while it runs, which is a huge bonus for those of us who like to reload in peace. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 3,600 reviews, it's clear that many have found value in this. However, some users noted that it can be a bit bulky, which might not suit those with limited workspace. But honestly, if you have a dedicated spot for your reloading, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for serious reloaders who want to clean a large volume of brass quickly and effectively. If you want something smaller or more portable, you might want to skip this one. Product number 3. Lee Precision 2-Shot Shell Reloading Press. Coming in at $76.55, we have the Lee Precision 2-Shot Shell Reloading Press. This caught my attention for its user-friendly design and versatility. If you're focused on reloading shot shells, this is worth a serious look. This press is specifically designed for 12-gauge shot shells, making it a great choice if you're into shotgun sports. It streamlines the reloading process, allowing for consistent crimping and faster operation. With a compact size, it won't take up much space on your bench, and it has a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 1,900 users. Here's why this matters. If you want reliable performance without the hassle, this press might be your best bet. Now, some folks mentioned that the learning curve can be steep for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly efficient. So, this is perfect for you if you're an avid shotgun shooter who wants to save on ammo costs. If you're only interested in rifle cartridges, maybe pass on this one. Product number 4. Frankfurt Arsenal Quick and Easy Case Tumbler Kit. Next up is the Frankfurt Arsenal Quick and Easy Case Tumbler Kit, priced at $110.99. This one really piqued my interest with its complete kit that includes everything you need for brass cleaning. If you want a straightforward solution without having to buy extra components, this is a great pick. The tumbler can hold up to 609 millimeters or 350.223 cases, making it quite efficient for most reloaders. It's easy to use with just an on-off switch, which is great if you want something simple. The included rotary media separator and cleaning media are a nice touch too. Rated at 4.8 stars from 2,700 reviews, it's evident that it's well received. Some users found it a bit noisy, which can be a concern if you're sensitive to sound. But honestly, for the job it does, I think it's a minor issue. This is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their reloading process with an all-in-one kit. If you prefer a quieter operation, you might want to consider other options. Product number 5. Frankfurt Arsenal Rotary Tumbler and Accessories. Last but not least, we have another offering from Frankfurt Arsenal, the Rotary Tumbler and Accessories, priced at $122.99. This caught my eye for its compact size and strong performance. If you're looking for a smaller tumbler without sacrificing quality, this is worth a look. With a capacity of 3.3 liters, it can clean up to 300 cases of .223 brass at a time. Its leak-proof cap design ensures no mess while you work, which is a vital feature when dealing with cleaning solutions. Plus, it's rated 4.7 stars from 1,600 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Here's why this matters for you. If space is at a premium in your reloading area, this compact option won't disappoint. Now, some users express concerns about the smaller capacity compared to larger models. However, for those who don't need to clean huge amounts at once, this is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for hobbyists who want quality without taking up too much space. If you need to process heavy volumes, you might want a larger model. So, to recap, we've got the MTM ammo loading tray for versatility, the Frankfurt Arsenal Rotary Tumbler for high capacity, the Lee Precision Shot Shell Press for shotgun enthusiasts, the Quick and Easy Tumbler Kit for a complete solution, and finally, the compact rotary tumbler for those with limited space. Each of these has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose based on your specific needs. Happy reloading!